everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise for today, and this is full body workout, downward dog pose. Saglit lang ang exercise ngayon guys kasi may lakad ako. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 Okay guys, hindi ko siya papatagalin kasi may lakad na ako. Thank you so much for watching, and you can do this guys as many times as you can. Kung may time ka, mas maraming bilang mas maganda. I'll see you on the next video. Please follow me.